What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Super excited to bring you guys today's video. So this video, I'm gonna be focusing entirely on the custom halo taillights that I've been making for the past 6 months or so. These right here are the first pair that I've done. This is just my personal pair. Got the Diode Dynamics halos up in there, paired with the blue bat overlays tint that I showed in a previous video how to install. Still love these to death, but I gotten something even better and newer for you guys. Just wait, just wait. So here's just a few sets that I made for a couple customers over the last few months. Just showing off like the different styles and models I've done. Always like black out the inside unless they ask for something else, like leave it chrome. I recently did a clear lens set for a customer. This is the 03 to 05 version. He wanted me to have blacked out reflectors and a clear lens. Alright, right here, these are what I've been waiting for. I've only seen one other person get these so far. They are the 06 to 07 model clear lens. I think they just started making these at Depot, and this is how they come, like out of the box. Same as like the stock lights. Now I'm cutting them open. So I had some custom decal stickers made. This is the logo for one of my favorite metal bands called Trivium. So this is what the finished product looks like. Now all I gotta do is solder up the wires and get that lens on there. So most people just use the T-taps that they provide, but I'd much rather solder it all up so it's a much stronger, cleaner connection. While I was in there, I decided to upgrade all my bulbs to LED bulbs. When you switch to a LED turn signal bulb, your car reads the voltage as too low, so it thinks that the bulb is out. And to prevent the hyperflash, you just add the load resistors. So these load resistors get crazy hot when they're doing the turn signal. So make sure to keep them away from any plastic or wires or anything that could possibly melt. So here's the final product. I really love how the holographic stickers change colors when they catch the sunlight. I also made a design out of the stock LEDs next to the halos for a more unique look. Man, these Diode Dynamics halos are stupid bright. I've been wanting to do these taillights for a minute. I'm so hyped how good they turned out. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Hit me up on Instagram at DonnieBoDangles. See you on the next one. Later.